Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Drape fit unboxing. If you saw my last Drape fit haul, you know that I was a bit upset with them and I felt like they were just really dropping the ball. So I actually decided to reach out to them again since we are working together, and I wanted to just give them some feedback on how I was feeling, how I was not liking the pieces that they were picking out for me. I've talked before about their survey and their style quiz and how I just don't think it's great. So I actually went in, I sent them some screenshots, I gave them some pointers of what I would want to see different from them, what they could do to improve their quiz and make it a little bit more, informative. If you're interested in hearing a little bit more about that, I'll talk through it. But if you're just interested in seeing the box itself, feel free to skip ahead. So essentially what I decided to do when I reached out to them, I actually used to work for a personal styling service. I used to be a stylist myself, so I understand that this market pretty uniquely. I worked a lot with developing our style quiz and making sure that we were getting the information that we needed from our clients. So I had a pretty good perspective, if I do say so myself. I went in, worked with them a little bit when it came to some of the jeans questions. And there was one question about like how often you wear a certain item, but then the answers were multiple choice and you could only pick one option. And so none of the answers made sense for the question, but then the question would have actually been very beneficial to giving people the right clothing. So anyways, I just decided to give them some feedback. They came back, asked me exactly what I wanted, and encouraged me to use a feature that I had not used before, where you can upload 3 images of outfits that you'd like your stylist to pick for you. So I went ahead and did that. If I can find the images that I uploaded, I will put them here on the screen. So let's see if they nailed it this time. So as always, you get your return envelope, you get your little info envelope with your notes from your stylist. It has all of the itemized prices, so we will save that for the end. And then the brochure that I've mentioned before, I think is pointless. But let's see the clothes. This is what it looks like on the top. And then on the back, it's all ripped, which is interesting. I don't particularly care, but not the best look. So the first thing I'm seeing on here, I don't love, mostly because of the color. This is just not great. And I don't love this material either. It is kind of a mock neck tank top blouse situation, very see-through. You can see the tags through it. So this is not really my style, but we'll try it on. Then we have this. This is, you can tell that I'm liking floral. Is this a dress? Oh, okay. It is a dress. It is a padded dress, which sometimes I like, but sometimes I feel like it just looks very juvenile. This one, it looks like you can kind of like knot the front. So it has one strap on the outside, one strap on the inside, and then you can kind of tie it to give more of a sweetheart neckline. I think, oh, it's a jumpsuit. I like it even less. But maybe I'll like it on. I'll give it the benefit of the doubt and we'll try it. It's definitely soft. I like the material. And this floral print is really, really pretty. It's like pinks and orange and like mauves and maroons. So very nice transition into the fall season. Next up, we have a skirt. Ooh, I like this. This is pretty. The trash truck again. I swear it's just backing up down the entire street. There we go. Okay, so this is the skirt. It looks like it is, I wouldn't necessarily say like a high-low, but kind of like an asymmetrical hem. It's a really pretty pattern. It's kind of like blues and greens and orange and cream, and it is super cute. And then it does have a lining underneath that is just black. So I appreciate that. I'm really excited to see what this looks like on, because I think this could actually be really, really cute. So far, that's exciting. Then we have a shirt, maybe? Oh, damn, I really wish this weren't see-through because I feel like this could be really pretty. I don't know, maybe it would look good with some sort of like bralette underneath. But this is what it looks like. It looks like it's kind of a like oversized piratey blouse. So it has that kind of Swiss dot on the sleeves and the bodice, and then the top has this really beautiful like applique lace embroidery. That is so pretty. Okay, this is cute. It's definitely gonna be see-through, so I'm gonna have to get a little creative, but I like that. And then lastly, we have something very bright and very blue. Oh, these are pants. Okay, so these actually remind me a lot of the Halara pants that I just hauled in my last Halara haul that are maroon. And I actually really like the style of those. I'm not sure how I feel about this very bright blue. But we're gonna try it on, we'll see. I don't love this material, kind of like windbreakery, but we're gonna see what it looks like. I have to say I don't really feel like I'm seeing the outfit that this goes with, because I'm not sure this and this match, but I think this would potentially look okay with the skirt, so I don't know. I'm feeling hopeful, but I'm very skeptical, so let's try this on. So this is the first outfit. So this top is interesting. I haven't decided if I like it. I feel like if I have the right bra underneath it would be better, because right now I'm just wearing a regular tan bra and you can totally see it. So I think it's cute. It's not uncomfortable, and I do like how billowy the sleeves are. I feel like with maybe some like tighter fitting jeans, or maybe even just like tucked into some nice pants. Yeah, this is cute. I actually really like this shirt. So that's pretty exciting. I'm into this. For the pants though, these do not fit me like how the Halara ones do at all. As you kind of tighten this, it doesn't actually really do much, as you can probably tell. It just kind of like folds the fabric weirdly. And then this seam here is cutting across. It's just really tight right here and really tight like under my booty. And I don't love that. So these pants are definitely gonna be a no, but this shirt is a yes. Good job, Drape Fit. We got one. Okay, then is the second outfit. So this top, I knew I wasn't gonna like it, but I definitely do not. I don't think this is very flattering. The color is not as bad on my skin as I thought, but I still don't really like it. And then I was wrong about this skirt. Unfortunately, it is a high-low, and I just don't like the high-low. So I debated kind of trying to use it as more of like a true asymmetrical hem. I don't hate it, but I still don't think it looks quite right. So I'm not sure about this. I do really like the fabric. I like how it moves, and I feel like it's a really nice floral pattern. I love this like crossed printing. So it's like stripes that kind of go diagonally. I feel like that's really flattering and very fun and flirty and cute. But I don't know about this. So I'm gonna try it on with a few other things and see, but this is the second outfit. Okay, lastly, we have this little jumpsuit. So like I said, it does knot here, and then these are padded. And I don't think I like this. So this is what the length looks like. It's kind of like a half calf cropped. There is some pockets here. I just don't really feel like this is doing anything good for me. I'm not a big fan of spaghetti straps. This neckline is just not my favorite, and the cropped pants aren't my favorite. But I do have to say, if this is your style, the quality of this is really good. There are adjustable straps. You can tie this to be just to your liking. The fabric is so soft and cozy. Like honestly, this was something that I would want to wear just as PJs because it's super soft. So I mean, I like it as a clothing item. I just don't think it's something I want in my closet, but I do have to say this is a good one. It's just not for me. Okay, let's go ahead and go through some pricing. So first we will go ahead and start with what I am wearing, which is the floral wide leg jumpsuit. This is $28.88. I feel like that's not horrible. Honestly, that's something that if this were my style, I think is totally worth the price. I feel like they could probably even charge a little more for it, but let's not tell them I actually like this one. I feel like that's a fair price. Still not for me, but not horrible. Then we have this, which is the solid ruffle mock neck sleeveless blouse in cream. This is $28.99. You know, it's fine. Like, I don't think that's a bad price, but I don't think it's worth it. So this is gonna be a definite no. We have these Mamma Mia wild pants. These are $32.20. I don't think they're worth $32.20 to be honest, but that's okay. Then we have this floral print asymmetric midi skirt. This is $29.99. It's interesting that they call this an asymmetric midi skirt, which is totally what I would have thought this is. It definitely is a high-low. If you put the tag where the tag is supposed to be on your back, it is high-low. And I feel like even sideways, it still looks like a high-low skirt, just turned sideways. This is $29.99. I feel like quality-wise, it's definitely there for me. Kind of just wish it were just a midi skirt or a mini skirt, but not something in between. So kind of sad about this one because I feel like the quality of this is top tier, $28.99 or $29.99. Definitely a good price for this. And then lastly, we have the solid Swiss dot puff sleeve top in white, and this is $28.99. That is a really good price for this. I feel like this is totally something that I'm going to wear, so I'm actually going to be keeping this. It's not crazy. When was the last time I got a Drape Fit box and actually decided to keep things? So that's pretty exciting. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. Ooh, what if this was in black? Or even like a green? A green would be so cute. This is a good one. I'm very happy to have something. And I feel like Drape Fit is on the mend. So I'm gonna continue to try them out. I'm gonna continue to send them images of specific outfits that I like, really requiring very specific details of what I'm looking for. And hopefully that gets us a little closer because honestly, this was probably the closest box that we've gotten from them. So I feel like that tip of uploading pictures of what you want is definitely the move. So let me know what you think. If you like any of these items, if you had a different opinion than I did, I would love to know all about it down below. And if you're interested in trying Drape Fit, I will go ahead and leave my link down below for you as well. Thank you for coming and hanging out with me today. I really, really appreciate you being here, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. In the meantime, I hope you have a killer day.